Let us be honest, the media in South Africa is captured. Captured to the extent that whilst there's supposed to be a freedom of speech and diversity, the media should be serving the interest of all South Africans.
Almost 400 years ago, a criminal by the name of Jan van Riebeeck landed in our native land and declared an already occupied land by the native population as a no-man's land. Van Riebeeck, the first descendant of the Dutch to arrive in the Cape, will later lead a full-blown colonial genocide, anti-black land dispossession criminal project, arguing that simply because our people could not produce title deeds, this land that they have been living in for more than 1,000 years was not their own. Essentially, he was disregarding their humanity, treating them as part of the animal world. To him, and many who would have come long after him, the Africans were less than human, not deserving of land ownership. On this basis, the project disempowering Africans of the ability to call this place their land was initiated in blood and in pain. Millions ended up in the humiliated, conquered township condition of being cheap and easily disposable labor. Cecil Rhodes, Paul Kruger, John Smuts, General Herzog, Verwoerd, Botha even declared all labored on the Van Riebeeck assumption that Africans are less than human. They all, one after another, assaulted the humanity of African, keeping them dispossessed of land as cheap and easily disposable labor. Colonial crimes against humanity of native population did not end there. With the Land Act of 1913, they continued through the forced removals of the Group Areas Act that displaced millions of black people to live in prison camps we now call township. The so-called township is not a settlement of human beings, it's a prison camp.
Don't remember, boy!
What?